Much. Hey, good evening. This is Victorine. I just want to talk to you about affiliate marketing for starters and how you can use that to generate money fast. So thank you so much. It's a beautiful day here. It's sunny, but it's cold. I don't know where you are. Let me know where you are coming in from, and let me know what the weather is where you are. Thank you so much. In this broadcast, I'm just going to share with you what is affiliate marketing for starters and how you can use that to generate money fast. Thank you so much, Nick, for watching. Let me know how the weather is where you are, and let me know how your day is. Thank you so much for watching. I am just going to try to invite some people to join us in this broadcast so we can share what I have titled what is affiliate marketing for starters and how you can use this to generate money quickly. A lot of you, or if you are watching me, maybe you are doing something online, or you are planning to do something online and you really don't understand it. Like myself, when they were saying you could make money online, I didn't quite understand what they were saying. I didn't quite get what it meant. Somebody had to hold me by the hand and say this is what they do. So that's why I'm so passionate about online marketing, affiliate marketing, everything that you are doing online, because it's a big platform that is out there that you can leverage and make some money for yourself. The good thing about affiliate marketing is that you can do it anywhere in the world. You don't have to be in the local vicinity where the company is. All you need is a phone and internet access, which is one of the beauty that you can connect to into affiliate marketing. So thank you so much for watching, and I really appreciate you. As I said, my name is Victorine, and I'm reaching out to you to talk about affiliate marketing for starters and how you can use this to make money online. I'm sure you know about big companies like Best Buy, Bluehost. This is a web hosting company. Bluehost is a web hosting company. You know about Walmart, you know about Amazon. These are well-known companies, and they all have affiliate links. When you go to their website and you scroll to the bottom of the page, you will see affiliate links. And these affiliate links will tell you, they will ask you whether you want to be an affiliate or if you want to join as an affiliate. When you click in, it will walk you through on how to become an affiliate. The good thing with affiliate marketing is most of the things that you are doing for free for a few days, some of them 30 days, some of them 7 days. So within this time, you can start marketing their product, because when you market their product, you get a percentage of what you market. And off of this percentage, that's how you make money. So what you need when you're marketing for these companies is you need an offer and you need an audience. So the way affiliate marketing works is that, first of all, before I even talk to you how it works, is that a lot of these companies are jumping into this freelance digital marketing. Even the biggest names that you know, as I said before, like Best Buy, Walmart, Amazon, they are jumping into this digital marketing. So that's why you should not be left behind. You should also take advantage of this, because it's so much simpler. It is much easier. All you have to do is put the offer in front of an audience. Whatever you have or whatever the company wants you to promote, you put it to the people that want it. All of these companies have affiliate links. Thank you so much, Samuel, for watching. Thank you, Abdul, for watching. I really appreciate you. Let me know where you're watching from, and if you're watching the replay, let me know. Just type #replay. And if you are getting value, you can type in value, because I'm just here to talk to you about how you can use affiliate marketing and make money fast online. So, as I was saying, that these companies have links. When you join as affiliate, they are going to give you a link, and you use that link to present it to your audience. In every market, in every economy, people are looking for what you have. If you put the proper product in front of the people that are looking for your product, you will make a sale. And when you make a sale, you get a commission from that sale. How easy is that? Sometimes some of these links, you may have to use ClickFunnels, you may have to use a converter, which some of these maybe you have to use like ClickFunnels. You have the trial for 7 days, and within these 7 days you can make a sale, and from that sale it can help you to boost the other products that you need to promote your offer. So somebody might ask me that, but how can I start without money? Is it possible to do that? Yes, it's possible to start without money in most of the affiliate opportunities. Like some of them, you can start with $1. Within 30 days, they give you all the training, they give you all the information that you need, and you are hoping to make some money within that 30 days. Some you may have to upgrade after 7 days or after 30 days. And all you need is follow the instructions, because these are all done for you. You don't have to invent the wheel. You don't have to bring up your own product. All you have to do is present these links in front of your audience, and they will teach you how to put the links in front of your audience. You have Facebook, which is a big audience for you. The mistake people make is that they want to present their offer to everybody. Not everybody on Facebook is looking for what you're selling or what you're offering. You have to have your niche. You present your link to your niche market, and you will be able to make a sale. You network. If you don't have money when you're starting, you have groups. You go in groups, you make friends, you network with people in the groups, you connect with people. You go to YouTube, which is free. You can do YouTube videos. You can do a lot of things on YouTube that are free. You don't really need money to start, but you have to hustle, because you don't need the money. When you hustle and you start making money, then you can use that money, reinvest in yourself, and start generating more income. There are some more things that I can share with you that if you want to know more information, inbox me and I can give you more information of what you can do as a starter in affiliate marketing to get off the ground. You can click on the notification on your phone to let you know anytime I come online when I'm doing a Facebook Live. And you can inbox me for more information, or you can click on the link below. I will share more information with you. You can repurpose other people's information to help you from the start. You can also take notes on what other people that are successful are doing, and then you use that notes and make a video or do a Facebook Live. There are so many things that you can do. Please don't be left in the cold. Don't be left struggling. We are here to help you. Click on the link below, inbox me. I will give you more information on affiliate marketing. That's all I have for now. So thank you so much for your time. I really appreciate this. I appreciate you watching me. Have a wonderful Sunday. As I said, connect with me on Facebook, Victorine Bate, and you can inbox me whenever you have a question. My team is there to help you. We have a done for you system that it's like everything done in a box. All you have to do, you just need to be somebody who is flexible and you are willing to learn. We'll show you everything that you need. So until next time, have a beautiful day. Thank you, Nick. Thank you, Abdul, for watching, and thank you so much, Samuel. Until next time, bye for now.